And I'm going to create a couple sets of pockets. These vests have tons of pockets on them. Use my toothpick to drag it to the rest of the lines. Now, if you wanted to add some cute little sprinkles for lures and things that are hanging off, all right, let's get started. I'm going to begin by putting the puffy parts of my vest in place. I'm going to cut a tiny hole out of the bottom and kind of mark my vest lines. So I know for sure that I want a bottom band on my vest. Oh, it's so tiny I can't get anything out of it. Here's my neckline, the opening, and this is a vest, so I'm going to give it some shape around the sleeve. Using my full strength icing, I can create a ribbed band here at the bottom with tiny little piped lines. And I'm going to create a couple sets of pockets. So these vests have tons of pockets on them. I'm going to fill and build that up. And I'm matching one on the other side. I'm going to give that a second just to dry, and then we're going to press it down. We're going to keep the texture intentionally on those pockets. While I'm letting that dry, I'm going to switch over to this guy and do the same thing. There we go. Once the icing on this first cookie starts to dry, we can pat it down slightly with wax paper or Viva paper towel or even your own fingers and keep that texture and that loft. Now I've switched gears and I decided I'm going to use paper towel with texture on it on my full strength icing on my pockets. You'll have to pipe the pockets first, let them dry just a little bit, and then come back through with a little piece of textured paper towel and press down, and you can embed or emboss that texture right into your full strength royal icing. One of the things I love about royal icing is if I don't like it, I can just peel it off. And then do it again. Let's see if I can make that a little bit neater. I know I can. I was trying to rush through it. All right, pockets are in place. Going to switch gears. Going to pipe the interior and the sleeves of our vest. We're gonna let that dry just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and flood our vests. I'm gonna start here with the back neckline. Sink that color in. And then I have a real cute sprinkle. Of course you can use anything, but I have a real cute little zigzag sprinkle for a tag. There's our little back neck tag. How cute is that? And now we're filling in the rest of our lines. I stay just a little bit away from the borders because when I shimmy and shake, it'll fill in the gaps. I'm going to do 1/2 first. Use my toothpick to drag it to the rest of the lines. Moving on to the other side. Now, if you wanted to, this would be a good time to add some cute little sprinkles for lures and things that are hanging off. So I could do like a series of lures hanging right off that vest. And again, I'm cheating and I'm just using sprinkles. I've always been really intrigued by the beautiful flies that are hand tied by the fishermen. It always seemed really, really cool to me. One more time. And I can use the full strength icing to create little flaps for my pocket if I need extra embellishment.